This guy might just be a genius. He built a powerful clay stove using nothing but mud. First, he mixed clean water into yellow clay soil. Then, he stirred it all up until it formed a thick mud. He placed a plastic bucket on the ground. Next, he began coating the outside of the bucket with the mud. He pressed the mud firmly by hand to remove any trapped air bubbles. This helped prevent cracks and made the structure more solid. After covering the bucket, he carefully removed it. Then he used a flat tool to smooth out the shape. He carved a notch on one side to create an air passage. On top, he laid out a few steel rods. These would serve as the grate for ash to fall through. He placed the bucket back on top to continue shaping the upper part. More clay was added to build up the structure. He used metal strips to form a small opening for feeding firewood. Then he kept layering and shaping the clay around the edges. Once the form was complete, he removed the bucket one final time. Now, all that was left was to let it dry and harden. And just like that, a homemade clay stove was ready to use. It turned out to be super durable, and the flames it produces? Seriously powerful. What do you think of this all-natural clay stove?